how to check if a user is logged in, how to properly use user.is_authenticated. I am looking over this website but just can't seem to figure out how to do this as it's not working. I need to check if the current site user is logged in, authenticated, and am trying. Despite being sure that the user is logged in, it returns just. I'm able to do other requests from the first section in the URL above, such as which returns a successful response.
Update for Django 1.10+. Is_authenticated is now an attribute in Django 1.10. In B, the method was removed in Django 2.0. For Django 1.9 and older, is_authenticated is a function. You should call it like. As Peter Rowell pointed out, what may be tripping you up is that in the default Django template language, you don't tack on parentheses to call functions. So you may have seen something like this in template code. However, in Python code, it is indeed a method in the user class.
Django 1.10+. Use an attribute, not a method. The use of the method of the same name is deprecated in Django 2.0, and is no longer mentioned in the Django documentation. Callable bool. That after updated to the property request.user.is_authenticated was throwing the exception type error column object of type callable bool is not JSON serializable. The solution was to use response, which could handle the callable bool object properly when serializing.
Following block should work.
In your view. In you controller functions at decorator.